today the exam pattern for Goethe, but before that, just want to tell you about the two links which I sent you. I hope my screen is visible. So I sent you two books. One is from this Netzwerk A1 test heft, and then another one is Fits für Goethe Certificate A1. So this is something a good book to practice from if you want to have like sample paper kind of thing to practice in case you're like planning to write A1 exam in coming few months. Then you can take this book. But if you want to practice more like in terms of practice only but not planning to write the exam in coming months, then you can take this book and practice accordingly, because this Netzwerk has papers and practice material as per the chapters we have learned from Netzwerk A1.
Is it along with solution, ma'am?
Yes, both the books has comes along with solution, and these I think comes with one CD also for
Okay.
Huron practice. Yeah, both of them will be with CD, so you can take either of them. Okay. Now,
Uh,
if we talk about Goethe exam, so in Goethe exam we have four sections. Just a second, let me open the Word doc. So we have four categories in exam, be it A1, A2, B1 or B2. Exam pattern remains same. It's just the sections and the complexity of the exam level changes, but the overall pattern, overall like structure of the exam remains same. Be it A1, A2, B1 or B2. So we have four uh, portion, four tile, four sections. One is Huron, that is listening part. Then we have lesen, that is reading part. Then we have schreiben, that is writing part. And then we have sprechen, that is English speaking part. So today we will be focusing more on Huron part. So if we talk about Huron for A1, we would be having around two or three sections, you can say. Tile dry. Okay. So in Huron part, you will have three sections. You can say also dry tile, three portions. There will be three separate sections for Huron part. In total, you will have around 20 minutes to write down the Huron exam. So you will be like sitting in the room, you will have one answer sheet with you that will look like this. That will also have same information which is given here. Then all the material where you have to cross the right answer. So you will have this also Antwortbogen. This is something we call Antwortbogen, like answer sheet. So you will have this with you with all the questions on it, and then there will be a teacher invigilator who would be playing the audio for you. So each tile, also each section will have different type of questions and different type of answers, but this is basically is going to be a objective type. Huron is always objective type, so you have to listen and you have to cross the right and wrong answers. So two sections will be where you will have three options from where you have to cross the correct answer. So one more thing, when you are writing any German exam, you don't like fill in the correct answer, you uh, cross the correct answer, like here section C, if you can see here. So don't just do like a check mark, or don't just fill in the option, but cross it, like here this is ankreuzen. So this is very important. So now, as I said, there will be dry tile, three tiles, three sections. Tile 1. In tile 1, there will be 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. There will be 6 questions for you, and for each question, there will be one audio. Each audio will be played twice. So there is one example. I'm just playing it for you, and then you can try to connect it as per this example given here. Moment.
No, I think
Dieser Test hat 3 Teile. Start Deutsch 1. Modellsatz hören. Dieser Test hat 3 Teile. Sie hören kurze Gespräche und Ansagen. Zu jedem Text gibt es eine Aufgabe. Lesen Sie zuerst die Aufgabe, hören Sie dann den Text dazu. Kreuzen Sie die richtige Lösung an. Schreiben Sie zum Schluss Ihre Lösungen auf den Antwortbogen.
Teil 1. Was ist richtig? Kreuzen Sie an. A, B oder C. Sie hören jeden Text zweimal. Beispiel.
Ach, Verzeihung, wo finde ich Herrn Schneider vom Betriebsrat?
Schneider, warten Sie mal. Ich glaube, der ist im Zimmer Nummer 254. Ja, stimmt, Zimmer 254. Das ist im 2. Stock. Da können Sie den Aufzug hier nehmen.
2. Stock, Zimmer 254. Okay, vielen Dank. Ach, Verzeihung, wo finde ich Herrn Schneider vom Betriebsrat?
Schneider, warten Sie mal. Ich glaube, der ist im Zimmer Nummer 254. Ja, stimmt, Zimmer 254. Das ist im 2. Stock. Da können Sie den Aufzug hier nehmen.
2. Stock, Zimmer 254. Okay, vielen Dank.
So, okay, now you must have noticed the audio had all the information which is written here. So in the exam also it's going to be the same. They are going to read all the information for you before starting the exam, and then there will be one Beispiel also. There will be one example also before the main category starts. Now here in Teil 1, as I said, there are 6 questions, and each audio for each question will be played twice. So I'm going to play them now. What you have to do, just try to note down the correct answers for all 6 questions. And also you will be giving you will have also like 2-3 minutes so that you can quickly go through the questions and understand what is it all about. So I'm just starting the portion here, and then you will start listening from this first question.
Nummer 1. Entschuldigung, was kostet dieser Pullover jetzt? Da steht 30% billiger.
Einen Moment bitte. 19,95.
19,95 Euro.
Ja, Euro natürlich.
Okay, den nehme ich. Entschuldigung, was kostet dieser Pullover jetzt? Da steht 30% billiger.
Einen Moment bitte. 19,95.
19,95 Euro.
Ja, Euro natürlich.
Okay, den nehme ich.
Understood or noted down the answer?
yeah.
Und was ist richtig? A, B oder C?
Say.
Say.
Okay, good. Saurabh, what is your answer?
Such requirements and we have worked on those for different customers and
C.
it's still coming
Yes,
in and
say.
the tickets as well.
So in the so when you would be writing the exam, you will just cross C as it has been crossed here. Okay. So Saurabh and Rajvi, just to reiterate, don't give the answers like we write in UPSC or any government job exams while covering up whole option. You have to cross it here. Keep this thing in mind. Okay. Now
Okay.
from 2 to 6, I'm going to play it continuously. I just paused after one just to cross check if you guys understood it or not. From 2 to 6 now, I'm going to play it continuously. Guys, please keep yourself on.
Nummer 2. Ach, entschuldigen Sie bitte.
Ja, bitte?
Haben Sie eine Uhr? Wie spät ist es bitte?
Ja, jetzt ist es gleich 5 Uhr.
Was? Schon 5? Vielen Dank. Wiedersehen. Ach, entschuldigen Sie bitte.
Ja, bitte?
Haben Sie eine Uhr? Wie spät ist es bitte?
Ja, jetzt ist es gleich 5 Uhr.
Was? Schon 5? Vielen Dank. Wiedersehen. Nummer 3.
Was wünschen Sie bitte?
Ich hätte gern die Salatplatte und ein...
Entschuldigung, die Salatplatte ist leider aus, aber die Bratwurst kann ich Ihnen empfehlen. Ganz frisch heute.
Nein, danke. Ich esse kein Fleisch. Gibt es etwas ohne Fleisch?
Ja, nicht mehr viel. Fisch oder Pommes.
Fisch. Tja, dann wohl die Pommes.
Was wünschen Sie bitte?
Ich hätte gern die Salatplatte und ein...
Entschuldigung, die Salatplatte ist leider aus, aber die Bratwurst kann ich Ihnen empfehlen. Ganz frisch heute.
Nein, danke. Ich esse kein Fleisch. Gibt es etwas ohne Fleisch?
Ja, nicht mehr viel. Fisch oder Pommes.
Fisch. Tja, dann wohl die Pommes.
Nummer 4. Haben Sie Kinder, Frau Heger?
Ja, einen Sohn.
Und wie alt ist er?
9 Jahre, seit gestern.
Ach, da geht er ja schon zur Schule.
Ja klar, schon in die 3. Klasse.
Haben Sie Kinder, Frau Heger?
Ja, einen Sohn.
Und wie alt ist er?
9 Jahre, seit gestern.
Ach, da geht er ja schon zur Schule.
Ja klar, schon in die 3. Klasse.
Nummer 5.
Entschuldigen Sie, wie komme ich denn hier in den 2. Stock? Die Rolltreppe da vorne ist kaputt.
Da gehen Sie hier rechts um die Ecke und nehmen den Aufzug.
Um die Ecke rechts. Aha, danke. Ach, entschuldigen Sie, wie komme ich denn hier in den 2. Stock? Die Rolltreppe da vorne ist kaputt.
Da gehen Sie hier rechts um die Ecke und nehmen den Aufzug.
Um die Ecke rechts. Aha, danke.
Nummer 6.
Guten Morgen, Herr Albers. So früh schon bei der Arbeit?
Ja, ich habe noch viel zu tun. Morgen fahre ich doch für 3 Wochen weg.
Ach ja, das habe ich vergessen. Wohin fahren Sie denn?
Zu meinen Verwandten. Nach Polen.
Na dann, schöne Zeit. Guten Morgen, Herr Albers. So früh schon bei der Arbeit?
Ja, ich habe noch viel zu tun. Morgen fahre ich doch für 3 Wochen weg.
Ach ja, das habe ich vergessen. Wohin fahren Sie denn?
Zu meinen Verwandten. Nach Polen.
Na dann, schöne Zeit.
Win?
Yeah, sure, we'll do that. But Shadab, is there anything else?
Now
apart
let's
of
discuss
onboarding
the
which happens
answer.
in service
Few
now?
try.
Because,
What was the correct answer? A, B would it
I
say?
came to know I
B. B.
say like
Sure.
Kung
Right. Nummer 3. Was ist die Frau im Restaurant? A, B would it say?
so that we can have
Come.
A. Commerce.
the
Saurabh?
ticket by ticket.
A.
Okay, gut. Now, Fear. In welche Klasse geht Frau Herger's Sohn? A, B would it say?
They
Ninth.
in this basic class.
Rajbir, what is your answer?
Ninth. A. Ninth.
No.
Saurabh, what is your answer?
When you sit
I couldn't write for this thing.
Okay, so the correct answer here is B, in the dritter
They
class.
in the three
So,
classes.
right, so Rajveer, the person says the child is 9 years old. So don't get
Okay.
confused with the numbers. Just pay more attention to the exact question and exact answer. There will be similar answers to confuse you, right? So pay attention exactly. Now, whatever points you guys are getting, just make a note of it. If you have made anything wrong, just give yourself 1 point for one correct answer. Now, number few. Abi would it say?
Film.
They
B. B. Second.
Das ist A. What is the question here? Wie kommt die Frau? Okay, I'm explaining
yeah,
this.
I heard this A and B, but I'm not sure.
Okay, so the question is, wie kommt die Frau in den zweiten Stock? How does the female come in the second floor? To the second floor, the female was saying, how can I go to the second floor? Their roller trapper is kaput. So this escalator basically isn't working, and the other person advised her to take the Aufzug lift der Ecke in the corner. Take right, and then in the corner you will find the Aufzug. You want me to play this again? Let me
Yeah,
play this again.
Yes.
Schon bei der Arbeit?
Audible, right?
yeah.
Okay.
And account references. If the mailbox is this, makes this assignment.
Nummer 5.
Ach, entschuldigen Sie, wie komme ich denn hier in den zweiten Stock? Die Rolltreppe da vorne ist kaputt.
Da gehen Sie rechts um die Ecke und nehmen den Aufzug.
Um die Ecke rechts. Aha, danke. Ach, entschuldigen Sie, wie komme ich denn hier in den zweiten Stock? Die Rolltreppe da vorne ist kaputt.
Da gehen Sie rechts um die Ecke und nehmen den Aufzug.
Um die Ecke rechts. Aha, danke.
Got it.
So you guys got confused with the Ecke.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
first
yeah.
nehmen Sie den Aufzug. Take the lift.
How do we do
I also write down AK in the answer.
Okay, Nummer 6.
and then we can
Abi,
we
would
can
it
also
say?
link to the comments like the table which has been shown after we can use as well. Like, I
Okay.
believe,
That's it.
They
Say, say. He
say
said
so
that I
sorry,
will
miss.
be driving, that ich fahre zum Verwandten. I'm going to my parents. So zur Familie. Let me play it again.
understanding from
Nummer 6.
Morgen, Herr Albers. So früh schon bei der Arbeit?
Ja, ich habe noch viel zu tun. Morgen fahre ich doch für 3 Wochen weg.
Ach ja, das habe ich vergessen. Wohin fahren Sie denn?
Zu meinen Verwandten. Nach Polen.
Na dann, schöne Zeit.
Wohin fahren Sie? Zum meinem Verwandten. Where are you going? I'm going to my parents. So, zur Familie. So he's going to the family. Now, guys, one thing I always keep on telling you, whatever here in practice we are doing in the class, it is important. Like apart from that also, try to do all the given exercises in both the books. Then only you will be able to pay more attention and understand each and every word what is being said. Don't just try to do it in a way like in whole conversation you catch just one word and try to take out the meaning of the whole conversation from that one word. You will end up making a lot of mistakes while writing exam. So that is important that you pay attention to each and every word which is being said. Okay, now make a note of all your points you have scored for this tile 1. Now talking about tile 2, there is going to be one conversation, and then as per the conversation you have to like write richtig oder falsch. Hmm. There are going to be 4 questions for tiles 5, and you will listen to the text just once. In tile 1, das war zweimal, that was 2 times, but in tile 2, that is going to be just once. So pay more attention here. I'm going to play the audio now.
Guten Morgen, Herr Albers. So früh schon bei der...
Fahre ich doch Polen.
Just a second. Rajbir, Saurabh, guys, please mute
So
yourself.
whatever mailbox we get in such tickets, the same mailbox is required.
Teil 2. Kreuzen Sie an. Richtig oder falsch. Sie hören jeden Text einmal. Beispiel.
Frau Katrin Gundlach, angekommen aus Budapest, wird zum Informationsschalter in der Ankunftshalle C gebeten. Frau Gundlach, bitte zum Informationsschalter in der Ankunftshalle C.
Nummer 7.
Liebe Kunden, zu Weihnachten bieten wir Ihnen super Preise an. Zum Beispiel erstklassiger italienischer Weißwein für 12,78 € die Flasche oder exklusiver argentinischer Rotwein für 9,68 €. Besuchen Sie uns im 3. Stock. Frohe Weihnachten!
Nummer 8.
Liebe Fahrgäste, wir sind kurz vor Würzburg. Sicherlich haben Sie schon Hunger. An der nächsten Raststätte halten wir für eine Stunde. Wir treffen uns wieder um 12:30 am Bus, aber bitte pünktlich sein.
Nummer 9.
Liebe Fahrgäste, bitte beachten Sie, das ist ein außerplanmäßiger Halt. Bitte hier nicht aussteigen. In ein paar Minuten erreichen wir den Bahnhof von Bad Godesberg.
Nummer 10. Herr Stefan Jander, gebucht auf dem Flug LH 737 nach Warschau, wird zum Schalter F7 gebeten. Der Flug wird in ein paar Minuten geschlossen. Herr Jander, gebucht nach Warschau, bitte nach F7.
Okay, this was very quick. You guys understood something. For 7, I am going to give an exception here because I think there was some problem with the audio and it was not very clear. Maybe it was not uploaded on YouTube pretty well, but rest of them were pretty clear. So I'm starting from number 8. Die Fahrgäste sollen sich im Restaurant treffen. Richtig oder falsch?
For example, Oman ticket mail भेजी
Rachel, you're saying falsch?
कहाँ मेल भेजी ABC@.
Rajveer, Saurabh, what is your answer? Richtig oder falsch?
False. Didn't get.
Okay, so the correct answer is falsch. Die Fahrgäste sollen sich im Restaurant treffen. Nein, sie sollen im Bus treffen. So they should meet in the bus. Right. Nummer 9. Die Fahrgäste sollen im Zug bleiben. Richtig oder falsch?
उससे सबको एक्सेस होता है. Everyone can see.
Quick, everyone.
Yes, so fast.
So, richtig oder falsch? What did you write here?
Restrict. I don't know. Right or wrong.
Okay. Rachel, what is your answer? Saurabh?
Richtig.
Right. So the correct answer is richtig. The Fahrgäste, the travelers, should remain in the train. There was one line which gives you the answer. Wir sollen hier nicht umsteigen. We should not change here. So when you're not changing, obviously you will be staying in the train only. Nummer 10. Der Herr soll sofort zum Schalter kommen.
Unless
Rajveer, what is your answer? Oh,
They
sorry.
were not coming.
Saurabh?
Not able to get the answer.
Sorry?
False, but I write down.
Okay, let me play this one again.
तो अब इनको ये जो फॉरवर्डिंग है कि यहाँ
Bitte hier nicht aussteigen.
ये फॉरवर्डिंग इन्हें एक्सचेंज टीम से लगवानी पड़ेगी.
Nummer 10. Herr Stefan Jander, gebucht auf dem Flug LH 737 nach Warschau, wird zum Schalter F7 gebeten. Der Flug wird in ein paar Minuten geschlossen. Herr Jander, gebucht nach Warschau, bitte nach F7.
एक्सचेंज टीम and ask them कि ये जो फॉरवर्डिंग इसका रेप्लिका should be created in service now. Created in that should be sent to service now as well.
Nummer 10. Herr Stefan Jander, gebucht auf dem Flug LH 737 nach Warschau, wird zum Schalter F7 gebeten. Der Flug wird in ein paar Minuten geschlossen.
Okay, das ist falsch.
False.
Now, tile 3. Here, again, relief for you guys. Here, you will be listening to the audio 2 times. So here also we have questions, 5 questions, sorry. So 5 audios which will be played twice. And if you guys have noticed before the bell, there is a gap of few seconds. So that is the time basically given for you to read the question and understand.
Ideally, the template.
Okay, now.
But for now,
There would be 3 parts of listening.
Right. For A1, there will be drei Teile. For 2, you will have the audio 2 times played, and for richtig oder falsch, there will be only 1 time.
Schlossen. Herr Janda,
Was ist richtig? Kreuzen Sie an. A, B oder C. Sie hören jeden Text mal.
Nummer 11.
Telefonansagedienst der Deutschen Telekom. Die Rufnummer des Teilnehmers hat sich geändert. Bitte rufen Sie die Telefonauskunft an unter 11833. Telefonansagedienst der Deutschen Telekom. Die Rufnummer des Teilnehmers hat sich geändert. Bitte rufen Sie die Telefonauskunft an unter 11833.
Nummer 12.
Hallo Jan, hier ist Boris. Du, ich bin noch im Zug. Du holst mich doch vom Bahnhof ab? Ich warte an der Information auf dich. Hallo Jan, hier ist Boris. Du, ich bin noch im Zug. Du holst mich doch vom Bahnhof ab? Ich warte an der Information auf dich.
Nummer 13.
Mensch Jan, du Penner. Hier nochmal Boris. Ich bin jetzt am Bahnhof. Und du? Wo bist du denn? Ich warte schon über 20 Minuten auf dich. Also 10 Minuten Zeit hast du noch. Bis 2. Dann nehme ich ein Taxi. Mensch Jan, du Penner. Hier nochmal Boris. Ich bin jetzt am Bahnhof. Und du? Wo bist du denn? Ich warte schon über 20 Minuten auf dich. Also 10 Minuten Zeit hast du noch. Bis 2. Dann nehme ich ein Taxi.
Nummer 14.
Guten Tag, hier Rogala. Wir können am Samstag leider nicht zu Ihnen kommen. Am Sonntag haben wir aber Zeit. Rufen Sie uns doch bitte zurück, ob Ihnen das passt. Danke. Guten Tag, hier Rogala. Wir können am Samstag leider nicht zu Ihnen kommen. Am Sonntag haben wir aber Zeit. Rufen Sie uns doch bitte zurück, ob Ihnen das passt. Danke.
Nummer 15.
Hallo Alex, Walter hier. Kannst du schnell mal rüberkommen? Mein Computer hat einen Fehler. Ich kann nichts drucken. Melde dich doch bitte gleich, wenn du nach Hause kommst. Hallo Alex, Walter hier. Kannst du schnell mal rüberkommen? Mein Computer hat einen Fehler. Ich kann nichts drucken. Melde dich doch bitte gleich, wenn du nach Hause kommst.
Okay. ये Shriban.
Yeah.
Now let's discuss. For L, Abe would say. Saurabh.
Yeah.
Okay. The correct answer is A. Elf, 8, 3. Nummer 12.
An Bahnhof. B.
Saurabh, Rajveer.
B. M. One of.
Okay, so the correct answer here is say. Yes. So the person is waiting for somebody at the railway station, but the question is wo genau treffen sich die Männer, where exactly the two people, the two man will be meeting. So the person who is waiting at the Bahnhof, the person who is waiting at the railway station, he's saying to his friend that I'm waiting for you. Ich warte auf dich an der Information. Ich warte an der Information auf dich. So that's why it's say. Let me play it again.
फ्रॉम में रिप्लाई टू में फिलिप मॉरिस की आईडी आ रही है, तो ये भी स्क्रिप्टिंग की हुई है.
Nummer 12.
इफ लगा हुआ था इसमें भी करेंगे.
Hallo Jan, hier ist Boris. Du, ich bin noch im Zug. Du holst mich doch vom Bahnhof ab? Ich warte an der Information auf dich.
Heard now? Ich warte an der Information auf dich.
इसके लिए भी स्क्रिप्ट लगेगी.
Nummer 13. Abi oder C.
हटा मतलब कंप्लीटली नहीं हटाई.
That is 20.
Abi oder C. Rachel, Saurabh.
20 Minuten.
No. So the correct answer here is C. The question is, wie lange will der Mann noch warten? For how much long the person is going to wait more? Noch warten. Will noch warten. So for how long the person will be waiting? So the person is saying, I am already waiting for the past 20 minutes and you have 10 more minutes till bis 2. Ich warte schon bis 20 Minuten und du hast 10 Minuten noch bis 2. So the correct answer here is say. 14. Abi Urat say. That was simple.
Sonntag.
Zontag.
Saurabh.
C.
B. Saurabh, it was B. So the person was saying that she cannot come on Saturday. She will be coming on Sunday. She has time on Sunday. So the correct answer is B. Nummer 15. Was ist kaputt? Abi Urat say.
Their computer.
So the correct answer is B, their computer. Now, can you guys quickly sum up and tell me your score?
1, 2,
10 men. 10.
7.
7.
Okay. That is pretty good score for first trial.
This passed already.
Yes. Actually, like each tile, each section, like Huron listening, Huron Sprechen, Schreiben, and Mulish, each of it has 25 marks, and out of 25, you have to score 15. But like these, like second question, tile second, I think for each answer you will get 2 marks, and for rest of them you will get 1 or 2 marks. It's something like this. It goes something like this. So if you are saying 10, so it's not 10, actually it's more than that basis what you have scored in tile swipe. So for each marking scheme basically goes same for each section. So for Huron will also be for 25 marks, this will also for 25 marks, this will be 25 marks, and this will be 25 marks. And in each tile you will have to score at least 15, then only you will be clearing the whole exam. It's not like you score 20 here, you score 20 here, and you score 20 here, and you score 0 in listening. You will be failed. So at least you have to score in total 60, which should come from 15 from each of the section. Total 60 marks to clear the whole exam, and 15 marks in each of the section.
Needs to take 15 each.
Right. Now, so if I talk about lesson, I'm just going to explain what lesson is all about and how you have to do. But this will be your homework. You have to do this by tomorrow. For lesen and schreiben, you have in total 45 minutes. So for lesen and schreiben, you will have like one sheet, and then you will be shifted to maybe another room or in the same room. For hören, you will get a different sheet. So for lesen and schreiben, in total you will have 45 minutes. Now, ideally, it should go in a way like for schreiben you give 20 minutes, and for lesen you give 25 minutes. That depends on you how much time you take. But after 45 minutes, the sheet will be taken from you for lesen and schreiben. Now I'm going to explain how lesen and schreiben is, and then you will do it as your homework. Make sure when you do the homework, you keep a watch with you, and then don't take more than 45 minutes. Now, if we talk about this section, which is lesen, so here you will have, I meant, so in lesen also, es gibt drei Teile. In lesen also there will be 3 tile, and how it's going to be, there will be different information given, and then basis the given information, you have to mark the correct answer. So for example, here in tile 1, there is one email given. You have to read the email, and then basis that email, you have to give the right and wrong answer. So this is basically a Beispiel. For tile 1, this is the like email which you have to read, and basis this one Beispiel has given, and you have to give 2 answers from here. Basis this one. This is tile 1 for 2 questions. Then there is another email given, another brief given. You have to read it, and 3, 4, 5 you have to give answers basis this information. So this is basically to evaluate your reading skills. Whatever you read, how good you understand from that. Then tiles Y, for tiles Y there will be like one advertisement or 2, 3 advertisements given, and basis the question you have to give the correct answer. So I'm just giving you the like brief of this Beispiel given. Sie wollen wissen, regnet es in Deutschland? So you want to know, is it going to rain in Germany or not? So which information you will go for, A or B? Now you have to read the information given in A or B. Accordingly, you have to give the answer. So here it's D, because here if you see this information, this is Wetter aktuell, information about the weather. So that is why it is going to be B. Similarly, there are more information given. You have to read the question, see the information, and basis that select A or B. That goes same till question number 10, and then from 11 what you have to do from 11 till 15, again some information given, you have to read it, and then basis that you have to select richtig oder falsch. So for example, for Teil 3, zum Deutsch lernen gehen Sie in der Beethovenstraße 23. So to learn German, you have to go at this address. Is it richtig oder falsch? Now if you see this advertisement, the address is given for Beethovenstraße 23. So that is richtig. That's how you're going to do Teil 3. Verstanden? So this film scene, that is going to be like this. So you will have 15 questions in Lesen, which is going to be divided in 3 Teil. Teil 1, Teil 2 und Teil 3. That is about Lesen part. Now, if we talk about Schreiben, Schreiben will have zwei Teile. Es gibt zwei Teile in Schreiben. 2 sections in Schreiben. One is about writing this card, like information card. You will have to fill in the information card basis the given text here. And Teil 2 is going to be the Briefschreiben or email schreiben. Now, talking about Teil 1, so there will be some information given in this paragraph, and basis that you have to fill in this form basically. So all the information which you need to fill in here, you can find it here. So just read it and fill in the information. If you talk about Teil Nummer 2, so here you have to write an email. So Sie möchten im August Dresden besuchen. So you want to visit Dresden in August. Schreiben Sie an die Touristinformationen. So you have to write the email to the Tourist Information Center. Now, as I told you previously, there will be 3 points for which you have to include in your email body. Warum schreiben Sie? Why are you writing? Informationen über Film, Museen und so weiter. You have to ask about the information about such things, like what all things you can find in Dresden, hotel addressen, and you have to ask about the hotel addresses, like which hotels you should go for, and asking for the addresses. Schreiben Sie zu jedem Punkt 1 bis 2 Sätze auf den Antwortbogen, circa 30 Wörter. So for each point, you have to write at least 1 to 2 sentences. Schreiben Sie auch ein Anrede und einen Gruß. So you have to also write a salutation and subscription. Anrede is basically when you start the email, like sehr geehrte Damen und Herren, like dear sir, dear ma'am, or lieber, the name of a person, like salutation and subscription, which I gave you. So the email which you will write will get evaluated in 3 sections. Section 1 is your salutation, if you have addressed the email to the correct person, if you have opened the email in a correct way. Then your email body, if you have included all 3 points or not, and then your subscription, the way you say bye bye to the person, and like you end the email mit freundlichen Grüßen oder viele Grüße und so weiter. Now this is going to be a formal email. And I know I didn't tell you like how to write a formal email. Maybe you can consider it as an informal email for now, and then write the email as per an informal email. Don't consider it as a formal email for now. So we'll discuss also how do we write formal emails, but as of now just write it as an informal email. So that is going to be your home for tomorrow, and then the remaining part, expression, we will be covering tomorrow. Verstanden? Any questions?
9.
I'll share this PDF over the group.
Okay.
Okay. And then the book I told you about, you can order this and start learning from that also. So order it as soon as you can. Maybe and Rachel, you can check if that's available like in your location or not. If not, then maybe I'll try to search it online and then I'll send the PDF version to you.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
It is shown. Bye
PDF
guys. Actually, I am not sure if PDF version for A1 is available or not. For A2, it is there, but for practice, basically, it's good that you have a hard copy with you, because that is gonna have a CD with it. So that will be a little easier for practice. So
Can you
try.
upload this video on YouTube?
Sorry.
Upload this video today only.
I'll do that.
Okay.
Oh.
And all the early video are released on YouTube.
I'll upload all of them by today only. Don't worry.
Because I was going through the weekend, I cannot get